given this problem statement, so here alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of this cubic equation, that is x cube plus b times x plus c, that is equal to 0. If beta times gamma is 1 and that is equal to negative alpha, so in that case we need to compute this expression, that is b cube plus 2 times c cube minus 3 times alpha cube minus 6 times beta cube minus 8 times gamma cube, right? So now let us proceed towards the solution. So given is this particular equation, and from here we can write that alpha is clearly equal to negative 1, right? Now if you observe this equation is also given to us. This one I can transform this and write this one as 0 times x square, right? So from this we can write the sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma. So here alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is equal to, so that is gamma here, gamma that is equal to 0, right? Sum of roots of cubic equation. Now the next one, that is taking two elements at a time, two roots at a time, taking the product and then adding them, right? So alpha times beta plus beta times gamma plus gamma times alpha, gamma times alpha, that is equal to b in this case, right, from the given equation. And the product of these roots, that is alpha times beta times gamma, that is equal to negative c over here from the given equation. So now we can write, already we have established that alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is 0. So from this one we can write beta plus gamma, gamma is equal to negative alpha, and this value of alpha is already negative 1. So ultimately beta plus gamma, this will be equal to 1. So beta plus gamma, we got this relationship. Now here next one, I will need this value, that is the value alpha, beta and gamma. So before this one, if I can just deal with this part, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, that is equal to b. So this can be written as b will be equal to, so value of alpha we know that is negative 1, right? So we have to make appropriate substitutions over here. So alpha is negative 1, so this is negative beta, let's say negative beta plus beta gamma, that is given 1. So this beta times gamma which you are observing, this is already given as 1, so I have written 1 over here. And gamma times alpha, so this one will be, for this one we can write negative gamma, because alpha is negative 1, so this becomes negative gamma. So this is the relationship for b. And if you can observe here, we have already, so I'll just rearrange the terms little, 1 and this is negative sign common, and here this can be written as beta plus gamma, and beta plus gamma is 1, right? So b is equal to this. So from this we can say clearly that b has to be 0. Why? Because beta plus gamma is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So finally I got b as 0. Now next I'll be dealing with this, that is alpha beta gamma product, that is negative c. Now for this beta and gamma, for this alpha we can write negative 1, and for this beta times gamma, that is 1. This is already given, and this is negative c. So from this c is equal to 1. So b is 0, c is 1, and definitely I can also say from the given equation that my a is also equal to 1, right? So let me just write this fact that a is equal to 1 from the given equation, because in the format itself you can see that a is 1. Now we have the values with us, but by the way a is not required anywhere, I guess. So even if I do not write it, doesn't make any difference. Now for this part, now we are having this fact, that is beta plus gamma, that is equal to 1. This is something that we are having, and along with this we are having the product of beta and gamma, that is 1. So from this we can say, from this one we can definitely say that beta plus this gamma can be replaced as 1 over beta, right? So that will be equal to 1. Now from this one, if I rearrange the terms and write the equation properly, so this will be beta square minus beta plus 1, that is equal to 0. Now what I need is, I need beta cube actually. Why? Because in the expression beta cube and alpha cube is required actually, correct, and even the gamma cube. Now for alpha I have the value, so alpha cube can be computed directly, right? But beta cube and gamma cube is required actually. So what I'll do, I'll multiply beta plus 1 on both the sides. So I'll take this one and multiply with beta plus 1, and 0 multiplied by beta plus 1 is again 0. So this one can be written as beta cube plus 1, that is equal to 0, and from this we can write that is beta is equal to negative 1, right? And the same thing, in the similar way I can compute the value of alpha as well, right? Sorry, not the alpha, for gamma actually. So now for gamma, alpha value I'm already having. So for gamma I'll go towards the next step, and now I'll resolve for gamma. So here this gamma will be written here as it is, gamma can be written here as it is, and beta will be replaced as 1 over gamma. So 1 over gamma. Now in the similar rearrangement, if I solve, so I'll replace everywhere with gamma. So gamma square minus gamma plus 1, gamma square minus gamma plus 1 is equal to 0 times gamma plus 1, and this will be gamma cube plus 1, and finally I will get gamma cube. So here beta cube I should write, right? So beta cube that is equal to negative 1, and similarly gamma cube that is equal to negative 1. Now I'm having all the values, so I can say that for this given expression I can replace and write their values accordingly. So this can be written as b. So value of b is 0, so b I'll replace with 0, so 0 cube is 0. 2 times c, value of c is 1, so 2 times 1 cube, 2 times 1 cube, minus 3 times alpha cube, so negative 1 and then cube, minus 6 times beta cube is again negative 1, so negative 1 to the power 3, minus 8 times negative 1 to the power 3. On resolving this is 0, then plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8. On adding all of this, I'll be getting the answer as positive 19. So therefore the answer to this problem statement is positive 19, and hence it is solved.